All right, so if you have an error 15 on your Roomba, it probably means there is an internal communication error, so it's kind of a software issue. You can do a couple things. You can just press clean once to try to restart it, but you've probably already tried that and it didn't work. So if the problem persists, you're going to perform a robot reboot, and you do that on the 700, 800, and 900 series Roombas by holding the clean button down for 10 seconds, and then you should hear a reset tone happen when you release the button. Let's see if that happens. Okay, so the lights went on. Okay, so that's how you do a reboot. Now, if it continues to persist, you might try to force close the Roomba app, and you do that by, on Android, you just pull up your apps and close it like that. Some people say you should also delist the robot from your app and do a few things. I'll put a link from iRobot's home support about the app issues if it persists after a reboot. I should mention that after you do that reboot, the clock will reset, but your schedule or any other kind of things like that should be fine. Okay, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you're interested in more videos about Roomba tips and tricks.